Hey guys, this is Mark from the Village Community Acupuncture. I'm here with Clyde. Show yourself, bud.
Hello.
That's Clyde. We're going to do start a series, just simple ways to improve your diet at home by making some of the industrial products you get from the store right in your kitchen with basic ingredients. It's very simple. We'll try to make everything as easy as possible and with a few ingredients, and maybe you can purchase a tool here or there if you find you need it. But today we're going to make homemade mayonnaise. Recently I read an article saying that half of the diet for your typical American comes from low quality oils, genetically modified canola, soy, and corn, and processed flours. So the first thing I wanted to do is show you how to use olive oil to make a mayonnaise, and then that mayonnaise can be your mayonnaise, but it can also be the base of your creamy dressings, and it can also be a marinade for a lot of the things that you use. So we're only going to use extra light olive oil. I don't use extra virgin olive oil just because of the strong flavor, so we use a light olive oil, apple cider vinegar. This isn't the highest quality. I'd rather use Bragg's, but I don't have any today. And a pinch of sea salt and 1 egg. We're going to take 1 jar, that's a pint size, crack 1 whole egg. These are eggs from my own chicken. Get a high quality egg so that you can trust it. I just use 1 capful. If I want a little more vinegar flavor, I use 2 capfuls of oil, a pinch of salt, don't need a lot, and 1 cup of light olive oil. And the miracle happens in the mixing. So if you take this jar, this is the jar you're going to store your mayonnaise in. I like to use a stick blender. You can use a regular blender, but it's then hard to spatula out your end product from the blade if you use a blender. This one you pull out and you leave it in its storage jar. So you start the mixing on the bottom and you just bring it up. Mix it up and down a little bit. You'll see the oil turn into mayonnaise. And it's that simple. Now you have a week's worth of mayonnaise. You've only got the basic ingredients. You got a good quality egg, some sea salt, some olive oil, and some vinegar. And from there, I won't waste that. I'll scrape it off in a minute. You can add balsamic vinegar to make this into a balsamic dressing. You could add Parmesan and spices and then pour on some buttermilk or a thin yogurt to make some sort of ranch dressing. You can use this to mix in with meats for a marinade, and you can use it as a tenderizing product for meats as well. So thank you, Clyde, for your help.
You're welcome. Bye.